If your BMW 5 Series displays a black screen when you try to use Apple CarPlay, don't panic. It is usually a software glitch. The vast majority of iDrive connectivity issues are resolved with a simple hard reset of the infotainment system. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your maps and music back on the screen. Start by holding the volume knob for 30 seconds to force a full reboot of the iDrive system. Make sure your iPhone is up to date and disable any active VPNs, as they often interfere with the wireless handshake. If software isn't the issue, check your Wi-Fi antenna connection or ensure your car battery isn't running low. If the audio works but the screen is dark, it's software. A permanently dead screen usually requires a trip to the dealer. Statistically, over 60% of these cases are solved by that 30-second volume knob reset. If the basic reset fails, try the Update Apps and Services option within your iDrive settings menu. You don't need tools for this, just your phone, the latest software, and a little bit of patience. Remember, your BMW is a rolling computer. Most glitches are temporary and easily fixed with a reboot. If these steps helped you get back on the road, drop a comment below and let us know which fix worked for you.